Hello, I am a Chinese manufacturer of log seal foam tape. This tape is made from high-density closed-cell foam, offering excellent air moisture sealing for log homes and wooden structures. It prevents water and insect intrusion, available in lengths from 1 to 10 meters, widths from 10 to 50 millimeters, thicknesses from 0.5 to 10 millimeters. It can be customized for various applications. When using, ensure the surface is clean and dry for firm adhesion and maximum sealing performance.